You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this Portuguese football player. If you want to learn more confusing names from soccer, from football, stay tuned. Right back or right wing, pronounced in Portuguese pronunciation, Nélson Semedo. Nélson Semedo, if you want to pronounce it in a more English way, let's say. The English pronunciation, rather than Portuguese, is more as Nélson Semedo. Nélson Semedo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.